What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Venture Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, man, real exciting video. I know you guys see the title and the thumbnail, man. I'm on my way to get E85. Now, if you guys watched the tuning video, I did a video before the tuning. I did a video when I actually got the tune. So this is going to be the before. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of last pulls just before I get to the shop, because I need to run out a little bit more gas. So I'm gonna give you guys some pulls in this video and all of that, and I also shave my beard a little bit. I look a little different, but I'm just trying to grow it back to where it can be fuller, but that's besides the point. But anyways, today's an exciting day. We're getting E85. I told you guys that I'm gonna come back with E85. Shout out to my tuner Eugene at Enthusiast Auto Care. If you guys need anything, you guys go ahead and tap in. His links will be in the description, also will pop up on the screen or whatever, so y'all definitely tap in with him. He does mechanical work. He's a master tech. So if you guys are in the Bay Area and you guys need your Infiniti worked on, or you need it tuned, or whatever you need to be done, go ahead and hit him up. He'll get it done for you. But anyways, E85, man, I'm real excited. I think this car is going to turn up a lot. A lot of you guys ask questions too, like, why are you tuning a stock car or whatever? It's because, I mean, you can get power out of these cars easily, you know, stock, especially a newer VHR motor. They're just built differently than the G37s. But let's go ahead and give you guys a little pull. Let's go ahead and turn it in personal mode. There we go. Dang, crazy, 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 crazy. Whew. All right, I gotta get y'all some more pulls before I end this video, because it's the last day I'm gonna have this bass tune. I actually had plans on making more videos with this bass tune, but you know, sometimes things just don't work out. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna admit it. You know what? I was lazy for the past couple of weeks. I didn't do a lot of recording like I should have, but it is what it is. We're getting E85, gonna have a whole bunch of new content. Hopefully some races, hopefully some race content, of course in Mexico. A lot of pull videos, a lot of knowledge that I can give you guys on tunes, because you guys know I was against tunes for the longest, but now I'm pro tune. You know what I'm saying? Because of course I'm tuned. But anyways, y'all, like today, what you can expect is the installation video. I'm getting new injectors. Of course, you have to get new injectors, and I will be getting a new fuel pump. Also, I will be doing the remote tune today, you know, for the E85, so it could work. As far as that's all I know. And then also, you know, getting the E85 gas or whatever today. So, but we'll see once we pull up to the shop. Let's see what you know, Eugene says. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, he's the mastermind with all this other stuff. So I've been wanting this E85 stuff done for a long time. Like I said, like within the first tune video, when I had got my car tuned first, I was telling you guys that my whole plan was to do everything at once. The tune, it looks so weird with no beard, but anyways, my plan was you know, to do everything at once, but unfortunately things just didn't fall through like that. So I had to go back and get it, and now today is the day where I go back and I get the E85 stuff done, and I'm really excited about it. I know you guys are excited about it too. Fresh new content on the channel. I know for the people who's been following me for a while, you know, you guys are probably like, dang, you know, it's the same thing over same thing. But with the Q50 is different. I told you guys I'm coming different with the Q50. You know, I said just give me some time, and like, you know, I don't break my promises, man. Just give me some time, and you know, we was gonna get it all done. But yeah, man, I'm excited. You know I keep on saying that, but I really am really excited. I can't wait to see how faster this car is going to be. I know we got the remote tune today, And then after that, probably within the next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing a dyno tune also. So I'm going to be getting, you know, street tuned, and I'm also be getting dyno tuned. So you guys stay tuned for the channel, man. I got a lot of stuff coming on my channel, especially for the new people. If you are just watching this video and you're discovering me, I suggest you subscribe and, you know, pay attention to what's coming next with the Cube. You know what I'm saying? Sky's the limit with this car. Like, well, if you haven't been following so far what I did, and all these videos are in playlists. I did a VR swap because this is a 3.7 VHR. This is not a VR, this is a VHR. So I did the VR swap. I did, of course I got tuned. Put subwoofers in my car. I did all the maintenance that, you know, I needed to do with this car. New cats, AFE drop-in filters, and I think I'm missing something. Oh, I got the calipers painted, and I feel like I'm missing something, but all those videos are in a playlist. You know, all you gotta do is click on playlist, and it'll say Infiniti Q50 content, and that's where you can see all the videos I've done. And then a lot of you guys were asking too about the pops. Now, listen, the pops will be a lot louder if I had test pipes, or, you know, art pipes, or, you know, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I have regular cats, and you got to remember that cats are so restrictive. So this is the loudest the pops will be as of right now. It'll be this loud, but, you know, eventually, you know, I'll make it, you know, a little louder. I get the art pipes or whatever, you know, whatever I need to get to make it louder. But right now, that's just how the way it's gonna be. You hear it popping in the back. It's cool. But I don't want to talk you guys head off, you know what I'm saying, in this video, especially in this video. This is just kind of like an introduction of what's finna go on today, and y'all gotta pay attention for part 2. Most likely that will be coming out next. So you guys stay tuned on to the video next. I'm gonna need to run out this gas a little bit, but I want to give y'all one last pull before I end this video. Kind of hard for me to do this with one hand. Ooh. Got a little traffic today, man. They don't want me to shine. But anyways, I gotta run out this gas because I thought I had like less than this. I should have did that last night, but oh well, it is what it is. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned to the next one, and I'm out. Peace.